How to review order records activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review order records activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then click activity log. And here you will find look at actions and order activity, and then just go down until you find this one here, other records. And as you see here, you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.